and you will be too. Today we're doing a giant Catholic haul. A few companies have sent me products recently that they want me to show you guys, so I decided to just do an entire video rather than doing individual Instagram posts or putting a 30-minute advertisement in one video. So I'm going to be completely transparent, what I'm being paid for, what I'm making commission from, what was sent for free, what I'm not being paid for. So starting off is the Bishop Barron Bible! I can't believe there's actually a Bishop Barron Bible. So this is what it looks like. It's called the Word on Fire Bible. Word on Fire is the company that Bishop Barron started. He's kind of the face of the company. And I should make a whole video talking about my experience with Bishop Barron and helping me become Catholic. Because in my RCIA, we watched his Catholicism series, and then in my church's Bible study, in my parish Bible study, we've been watching the Pivotal Players videos. So Bishop Barron is just a huge part of my conversion into Catholicism. So I've been having so much fun reading through this. So this is the front of the Bible. There is gold lettering, gold images. Historically, each of the gospel writers has been depicted as a different animal. So Matthew is a winged man, Mark is a winged lion, Luke is an ox, and John is an eagle. So that's what that is. This is just the Gospels, but it looks like an entire Bible because it's full of church father commentary. And there are beautiful pictures, Greek etymology, essays written by the future patron saint of YouTube, Bishop Barron. When you open the Bible, there's this opening quote by Saint Thomas Aquinas, and then here is Bishop Barron's signature. That's cool. And then here are some examples of the church art. Here are some of the pieces they chose to include. There are cathedrals, altar pieces, paintings, and my favorite part is that there are descriptions on each piece of art explaining what it is, why it's relevant, what's going on in the picture. Then we get to the commentary. So I'm just gonna read a list and show you some of the people who appear in here. Chrysostom, Irenaeus, my patron saint, Augustine, John Henry Newman, Pope Gregory the Great, Saint Cyril of Alexandria, Saint Gregory of Nyssa, Thomas Aquinas, Francis de Sales, Archbishop Fulton Sheen, Pope John Paul II, Pope Benedict XVI, Chrysostom, who I actually have a really great relationship with. Whenever I'm leading a Bible study, I Google Chrysostom homily for whatever I'm doing the Bible study on, and I pray to him a lot too. He's kind of on my saint squad. You know what I mean? Comment below what your saint squad is, like the saints who you pray to the most or read the most. And then my favorite, Archbishop Fulton Sheen. I absolutely loved his book, The Cries of Jesus from the Cross, and I've literally gifted it to 4 people in my life. So it's so amazing. I was really excited to see him in the Bible, and I highly recommend that book. I'm going to link below the playlist to all the theology books I recommend. I made an Amazon shop and I make commission from it. So if you want to donate to my channel, check my Amazon shop before buying a theology book and it might be on the list. And then of course, there's a lot of commentaries from Bishop Barron, who is the future saint of YouTube. I'm so excited for him to be a saint in the future, and I hope that the Pope can actually decide to make him the saint of YouTube. I think that would be so cool. So really exciting. We are doing a giveaway. So one of you will win a Word on Fire Bible. This is not going to be on my Instagram. It's just going to be in the comment section of this video. So comment below why you want to win the Bishop Barron Bible and comment your Instagram handle as well. And I will DM one of you and send you the Bible, and I'll also send you a handwritten letter from me. So next is a rosary in my absolute favorite shade of blue. This is so beautiful. I was really excited when I got this in the mail. It's from an Instagram company called Salve Maria, and they also make saint hair scrunchies, which I think eventually I'm going to get sent. I am not being paid anything, not being paid commission to promote this. I just thought it was really beautiful and wanted to help out a small business. So I'm gonna link below the Instagram profile and where you can get this rosary. I love how Mary is set with the stars around her head like it talks about in Revelation. And I think that the stars between the rosary beads are really, really unique. This is a really heavy rosary. It feels like really good quality, and I have a lot of rosaries, so that's saying a lot. It just feels really secure, and look at the beads too. They're really, really beautiful. How each bead is kind of a different color. They have a marble design going on. So, like I said, this is my favorite shade of blue. If you love blue as well, this is a really great rosary, and they have other things in the shop as well. The company called Blessed Is She. They're very iconic. You guys have definitely heard of them. They sent me their planner. This is the packaging. It's really cute. I get so many things stolen from my apartment complex, so I was so grateful that no one stole this because it looked really cute. I guess it'd be kind of cruel if it literally says pray on it and then you're a criminal and you're stealing stuff and you're stealing something that says pray. That's pretty messed up, but I always hope that when my theology books get stolen by my neighbors that it converts them into Catholicism. I always pray for that. Anyways, so here is their rose gold journal. When you open it up, it has a pocket at the front where you can store things in. So basically what makes this unique from other planners, what makes it a Catholic planner, is that it has the feast days or saint days next to every single day in the calendar. And it has the holy day of obligations. At the very beginning, there are prayers. So if you're a new Catholic and do not know how to pray and you're going about in your life with your Catholic planner, you can pray on the go. It also has instructions on how to pray the rosary with the mysteries of the rosary as well. I really like the graphic design. Before each month, they have these really cute graphics with Bible verses, and you can just tell whoever designed it put a lot of love and thought into it. So here is a look inside of the planner. So it's a regular planner. It sets out each month, and you can see there are the saint days there. Then you flip the page and you can see goals for every month. You can write out prayer intentions. So I really like this idea. For me, when I keep prayer journals, I really like looking back on what I prayed for and then seeing months or a year later how the prayers have been answered. So I really like the idea of having it inside your planner, all of your prayer requests, and it gives you loads of room for the prayer intentions. So then flipping to the next page, this is just what all the regular pages look like. So you can check things off, you can do a to-do list thing, then you can do tonight's dinner and what you're grateful for, which is literally what we're talking about in my Bible study right now. How at the end of every day, you should just do thank you prayers to God. So this is a great way to do thank you prayers to God. And then it's really faint, but you can also see saint days. So then you turn to the next month and there's a Bible verse at the top and it's the same concept as the month before. Something really important, so this is the tiny planner. There's also a full-length planner that is 8.5 by 11, although I think this is pretty big as well. When they sent me this, I thought the small one was gonna be like this or something. So I'm actually going to give this away to one of you because I do not use planners at all. I use my phone, my Google Calendar, and my phone in the notes section of my phone to plan out my life. It's all virtual. So I'm going to mail this to one of you, so comment below why you want the planner, and I will mail it in something other than the box because this is too cute. Another rosary. This is my favorite Catholic company. It is called Christian Catholic Shop. They are paying me to make this video. Actually, they're not. They paid to put the integration into my Immaculate Conception video, which will be linked below if you didn't know. I recently uploaded a video on why Mary is sinless and the Immaculate Conception, so definitely watch it if you're struggling with Mary theology and the Mary dogmas, and I actually have an entire playlist of all of my Mary videos, so that is linked below. Anyways, so they paid me for the integration in that video. I don't have to make this video. I'm choosing to include them in this video. This bracelet I'm wearing, I've been wearing a lot. It's the Saint Teresa de Lisieux bracelet. And real quick, so I just started reading this book, The Story of a Soul by Saint Teresa de Lisieux. And okay, one of you told me that the way to pronounce her name, because she's French, so her last name I thought was like de Lisieux or something, like de Lisieux. Like that was my first pronunciation because I'm horrible at French. I took 1 month of French in college, like a crash class, and I could not pronounce it. It was so hard. I'm horrible. So one of you told me that the way to pronounce it is Saint Teresa de Lisieux. Say Lisieux, Lisieux. Anyway, so my friend recommended me to read her autobiography book, and then like 5 days later, I get the package in the mail from Christian Catholic Shop, and it's for their Rosary of the month, and it's themed for Saint Therese. It was just so crazy because I just started reading her book, so it literally is themed to the book I'm reading right now, and I already feel such a connection to her. I know so many people do, but she talks about how obsessed she is with the sky and the ocean and flowers and grass and sitting in nature and staring at the stars. She just is like obsessed with God's creation, and that's how I am too, where I'll be walking and just like stop and stare at flowers for 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, but a while, you know? Or like sit on the grass and read and immersed in the ocean and looking at the stars. I just relate to her so much. So I was so excited for their Rosary of the month, the saint of this month being Saint Therese. And I'm going to link them below. It's $20 a month. And every month you get sent a saint bracelet, a rosary, a prayer card. It has a rose crucifix, and then it has these beautiful pink marble beads, and then the rose bead in between each of the marble beads. So it's a really, really beautiful rosary, and it's themed for Saint Therese. So I highly recommend this company. So many of my rosaries they have sent to me that I pray with regularly, and you've seen their rosaries in my YouTube videos when I've done my how to pray a rosary, I prayed the rosary every day for a month, why pray the rosary. All of those videos feature the rosaries from Christian Catholic Shop, so I really love this company a lot. And my Our Lady of Guadalupe t-shirt and my Mary Queen of Heaven t-shirt both come from Christian Catholic Shop. There's so many things on their website, so go check them out. Everything I talked about will be linked below. Either enter for the Word on Fire Bible or the Blessed Is She planner. Write me a comment of why you want to win it, your Instagram handle, and I will pick a winner and write you a letter. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!